Hello, my name is Pat McManus from Siemens Product Marketing. In this Tips and Techniques video, we will explore NX molded part design. Our project today is a new clothes iron. Most of the work has already been completed, but the back-end piece was being developed by a contract engineer who has left the project. We need to continue where their work ended, check it, and complete the design. As you can see, this part needs to fit around some wires and attaches at 2 screw bosses and a couple of snap clips. Let's open that part to examine it more closely. The outer shell is complete, and we can see that several interior ribs are already created. The contractor also created reference points for the mounting, but has not yet designed those mounting features. We will need to create the appropriate attachment features at those locations. To start, I will define the mold opening direction so that subsequent commands can consistently use it. Now I want to check those ribs to ensure the contractor completed them as required. But first I will confirm the checking parameters are set up to our company standards. The contractor sent this part as a step file, so there are no CAD features I can use to quickly review the ribs. However, I can use the feature validation command to quickly check them. The results show that the 4 ribs at the back end look good, but the ribs on the sides have warnings. One says that the ribs are too thin, the other that there's no blend at the base. It's recommending that I can use the edge blend command to fix it, and I will check the details so that I understand what needs to be done. I have no CAD parameters to edit, but I can use synchronous offset to directly modify the ribs, adding extra material to each. Next are the blends. To start, I will blend along the vertical rib edges. Notice that I only had to select one vertical edge, and the AI-driven selection prediction functionality found 7 similar edge chains. I will confirm its findings and have it complete the blends. Similarly, when I select one edge at the base of the rib, selection prediction finds the other rib chains for me, which I also accept. When I update the validation, all ribs now pass the requirements. I now turn my attention to creating some new bosses to use with the mounting screws. I will place them at the points provided by the contractor's model and enter the appropriate sizes. The legend allows me to easily understand what each parameter means. I will ask to have ribs automatically created around the bosses because they provide the necessary strength around the screws. I will next create 2 snap joints near the bottom, again using the points provided and inputting the appropriate values, taking account of the legend to understand each parameter. With these complete, I will run the validation again to check that the new features are acceptable. The snap joints passed, but the mounting bosses show warnings. Let's select one to see what the issue is. It appears that the base radius is too small per our standards and needs to be increased. We can easily do that by modifying the feature parameters for both bosses. When complete, we will update only the out-of-date validations on the bosses to save time. And now everything passes. Just a few more details remain. We need to add a hole in the middle of each boss for the screws to fit through, and a countersink to accommodate the recessed screw threads. I select the same mounting points used to create the bosses and enter the appropriate parameters for the countersunk hole. Now I will add draft to the countersunk hole so this part can be correctly molded. Notice how selection prediction is again helping me select similar geometry. I will ask the command to provide a draft angle recommendation based on the material, ABS, and I use the recommended 2.6 degrees. Finally, I add a 1 millimeter blend around each countersink, again with some AI assistance, and we are finished with our part of the job. In review, we have taken a partially finished part from a contractor and modified some of the ribs to meet our requirements, added bosses and countersunk holes for the mounting screws, and 2 snap tabs. We also validated all these mold features against our company standards. Thank you for watching.